Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your EARFUN Air 2 so quiet? Firstly, I recommend to clean the grill. You need to remove your ear tips from the earbuds. Right here we have the grill, the same for the right earbud, and just clean it. You can use a brush or toothbrush if you haven't cleaned tool and just slightly clean it. Now, maybe the problem is your earbud just too old, and maybe you need to contact customer service. But if you have this problem only with one earbud, we can do something. It's not totally fixed, but it will help you. We can change audio balance. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. So, on your iPhone, open Settings, and go to Accessibility, what located under the General Settings. Then scroll down, and in the Hearing we have Audio and Visual line, tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have Audio Balance. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this slider to the right, but you need to make a good balance for you, so test it. And we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. But if you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. And it's the same with the left earbud, just move the slider to the left, we increase the volume for the left, but lower it for the right. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility. I have stock Android, and right here it's located at the bottom. Enter into Accessibility, then scroll down, and at the bottom we have Audio Adjustment. Tap at this line, and here's Audio Balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, but you need to test it and find a good balance for you. We just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you can put this dot close to the right, and we increase the volume for the right, but lower it for the left. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. The same with the right earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!